Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, I will show you how you can print complete project multiple sheets in just one time. Quick PDF, very fast. Printing projects takes time, but this list routine almost in no time. Must watch out completely. You are going to save lot of time. So this complete project we have, okay. I will take complete quick PDF, complete drawing. Total 15 sheets almost in no time. Let this here YQPDF. You'll get small dialog box. Okay. Choose paper size A2, A1, A3, A4, anyone. A2 landscape, plot style CTB, and pick layer. This is very important. You have to pick layer. This rectangle must be separate layer. Okay. Just click over the rectangle and now take plot. Okay. And here we go. Just select all and enter. Once you enter, it will ask you where you want to save your PDF file, right? Let this here, folder. Okay, now it is printing number of 15 sheets in just one time, very fast. If you see here, you are getting complete PDF as per given scale, as per given CTB, and given output folder. Your complete number of sheets as much as you have, whether 10, 20, 100. If you see here, number of 15 sheets we are getting here. If I will open, we are getting neat and clean, accurate paper size, accurate CTB, each and everything perfectly here. So this way you can print quick PDF, your complete drawing. So this is the fastest and only way to print complete PDF quickly. If you see here, quickly, very fast. If you see here, if you want to download this list routine, just check out the link below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.